Alright guys, in this video I'll quickly compare the specs of the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro with the Doogee DK, just to point out the differences and similarities between both devices and to see which of the two rugged phones is equipped with the best specs. Without further ado, let's quickly dig in. Perfect. So there we go guys, the Unihertz Tank 3 versus the Doogee DK. Obviously the Tank 3 is a much more powerful rugged phone. Anyway, you've seen the specs of both devices, so which do you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.